Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Ashley with Level Up English, and today we are going to learn the difference between the most commonly confused words in written English. These words are there, and there. We'll also look at your and your. These words are confused by most native English speakers too, which is why it is important to understand the differences between these words. Let's get started. The difference between there, and there. There is used to indicate the position of a person or object. Think about a position. If the sentence you are saying is describing a place or position of something, then you use there. Example, my keys are there. Are you there yet? Both sentences refer to a place or position. There is a possessive adjective. It shows ownership, or rather something belonging to someone else. Example, their house is beautiful. Did you see their new car? Let's look at their. Their is the contracted form of they and are. Example, they are so happy. They're so happy. They are moving to England. They're moving to England. And that's a quick summary on the differences between there, and there. Let's look at the difference between your and your. Your is a possessive pronoun. It shows that something belongs to you, or rather it refers to something someone owns. Example, your book. A book belonging to you. I saw your mother, or I saw your father. This refers to a mother or father belonging to you. Let's look at your. Your is the contraction of you and are. If your sentence can use these words, you and are, separately, then use your. Example, you're beautiful. You are beautiful. You said you're going to the store today. Without the contraction, we say, you are beautiful, and you said you are going to the store today. And that brings us to the end of our quick English lesson. Today we looked at the differences between there, and there. We also looked at the difference between your and your. I hope you found this lesson very helpful. If you enjoyed this lesson, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. This is Ashley Hale with Level Up English, signing out. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.